Meru continues to face high rate of teenage and unintended pregnancies, particularly among school girls, threatening the education and future of young people. Number 2 is HIV prevalence. Infection rates remain significantly high, calling for strengthened awareness, prevention and treatment interventions. Number 3 is cancer burden. Raising cancer cases are straining families and limiting treatment and support facilities available in the county.
Teenage pregnancy, I encourage the young people first to join the churches that are around. 1, we will be guided on our moral values. Number 2, engaging in community activities. Like we have heard that improvement of Koromone, there is an opportunity for job. So the young people, if they are busy, some of the things will not happen to us. Again, substance and drug abuse, kindly young people, let us stay far from them. They will affect us in a very short run.